Alright, so what do we have here? Rotten apples, great. What is the probability that someone grabs a red apple given that it's fresh? Meaning you reached in there and you felt around, you're like, this isn't rotten, and you grabbed it. So you grabbed a fresh one. So that means we have, what, 8 fresh red ones. And we have 18 fresh green ones. So I know it's fresh, which means there are a total of 26. And I want to know the probability that it is red, which is 8. So again, I only am talking about 26 of my apples. I don't care about any of the rotten ones. So I only want to include my fresh ones on the bottom because I know it's fresh. And then I want to know what the probability is that it is red. So I do reduce that fraction to get my answer like that. Let's go ahead and do 29 at the same time. That's weird, but they're both probabilities, so we'll do that. Italian or Chinese. If you do one, you have leftovers. Okay, so it looks like we've got one of these guys here. So we have Italian and Chinese. If he makes Italian, leftovers is 45%. And if he makes Chinese, 80% is leftovers. If the probability that he makes Chinese food and has leftovers, so these two guys combined, is equal to 56, then that means that this must have been 70. Why? Because this times this has to equal this. The question is the probability of Italian food, which we subtract from 100, which gives us that as our answer.